C5 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This model is always a good seller. And listen to this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 38,000 is all in this one. Magnetic red metallic, light oak leather interior with the matching cloth top. Let's take a look at the condition of this front fascia. You can see not full of nicks, dings, or scratches from rock chip. Sure, I mean, it's an 04. It's been driven a few miles. You'll find a spot maybe where it's touched up here or there. But overall, you can see paint has a nice shine to it. There are some things I will point out here in just a bit. Of course, that tried and true LS1 5.7 liter underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive on this one. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the polished 5-spoke wheels. Good looking wheel in this car. The center rub strip, you can see that is optional. This car does not have it. There's a lot of folks out there that like the nice clean look without it. Let's take a look down the passenger side. And again, you can see passenger side not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. What I have noticed on this car, and I do want to point out, there's some spots where there's some kind of circular, this is a touch-up. And I don't know if I can get them to show up. Like right there, there's just some spots where there's a little etching in the clear. Is it going to hurt the performance of this car or how it drives out, anything like that? Absolutely not. Did notice the back emblem is missing part of the flag. Kind of want to point out a few of those things. Again, it's not going to hurt how much fun this car is to drive. Functions, performs. We are going to start it up too. Speaking of performing, let you hear it run. Check out underneath the hood. Check out those headlights. But first, I want you to know we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as that back emblem too, if that was a deal breaker, had to be replaced, that's not the end of the world. We may be doing it anyway, but something to consult with your sales associate when you call in. And again, here you can kind of see, it's tough for me to get them show up. It's nothing real major, but there are some spots where it's etched in the clear a little bit there. I want to make you aware of. If you want to see exactly how this car is equipped, it comes with the window sticker. We have that in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the still pictures. A few of the things that you're going to see on there, it does have the 12 CD changer, the 315 performance ratio, rear end. Also has the filler panel up front, so where you've seen the Unique license plate up there. If you don't need to run a front license plate in your state, you don't have to. We have that filler panel that will go with it. Heads-up display, and some more things we'll go over when we get to the interior of the car. As you can see, passenger side, again, nice finish to that paint on the side, has a nice shine, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Once again, let's take a look at this interior. So light oak interior, kind of camel colored interior. Modern amenities, power windows, locks, power mirrors, memory seating, Bose stereo system. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Again, you can see the condition of the leather and the bolster. No rips, tears, or holes. I'm going to also show you how the top goes up. It is a manual top. One person can put it up probably less than a minute. Very simple to do. Here's your heads-up display controls. Again, driver's information center, electronic dual climate control, AM, FM, CD player. This one also has the selective ride for touring and sport mode on it. It also has the power telescopic wheel. You can see that coming back at me here a little bit. There you go. It's fired up. That LS1 power 5.7 liter. 38,459. There's your heads-up display if you look straight ahead. And that's adjustable too, depending on your height, their brightness. Up, down, brightness. You can turn it off if you don't want it on. All tachometer working, no check engine lights, looking good. How about stereo?
Americans are kind of tired and over this idea of saying we're going to call this a pride issue.
Stereo working, top of the dash, looking good. Let's check those headlights. Headlights up, no problem. Back down, all good. Pop that hood so we can check out that engine bay, but first, power antenna is working when I turned on that radio. Let's listen to it. Sounds like you'd expect. Nice stock old Corvette to sound. A little rumble coming out of that baby. And engine bay. Hood liner. There it is. Foothold 4, 350 horse, top of my head, I believe, LS1, 5.7 liter power steering, power brakes, AC. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on the Carfax with this car. Actual miles, no recording over that 38,459. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. Alright. So I think what I'll do next is I'm going to shut the hood up, turn it off. I want to show you how the top goes up. Then we're going to take a look at that condition of the top. We're also going to drive this vehicle, so stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take it down the road, show you how it drives out, put the camera in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. So stick around, let's get this top up. And here it is with the top up. And as you could see, it folds up very easy for one person. What, less than a minute, I think, if you timed it. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Tan or camel colored fabric, as you can see. A few just little minor wear spots, nothing that's going to affect how it performs as far as keeping you out of the sun or out of a brief shower if you're out for a drive. Glass rear window. Rear defog. Around to the passenger side, and as you can see, windows fit nicely on both sides. There you go. And how many times are you going to have that top up on a 04 Corvette? Only if you need it to keep you out of the sun or, like I said, a brief shower. So there you go. Let me go ahead and show you how this folds back up down where it came from. That's very simple, and let me show you that too. As simple as that. So there you go, 2004 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 38,459 in the odometer at the moment. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Hey,
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2004 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a convertible, and we do have the top up today. Automatic right here on the center console. All our gauges are working well. 38,460 miles is all that shows on the odometer of this car. Excellent acceleration as you'd expect from a Corvette. Factory stereo. Working well. Battery's charging over 14. The temperature of the engine about 180, and the oil pressure is almost 45 pounds. The AC is keeping me cool as I go down the road. Got leather bucket seats that are comfortable. Nice ride from this Corvette. Firm enough to feel the road as you would like to in a sports car, but a very nice ride. Got beige and black interior, contrasting well with the burgundy outside. Corner's excellent. Doesn't lean hardly at all, as a Corvette usually doesn't. The cruise control functions as well. This car is ready to go. Take a look at the pictures and all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.